of redemption. In the previous lectures, you did the chapter till date, discuss the issue of debenture only. Debentures are issued at par, premium, and discount. Moreover, debentures can be subscribed to the public. Debenture consideration to the as collateral. Let's just are to be recut period. Money will be given back to the debenture holder, that is known as redemption of. Let's see what will be the accounting treatment of issue of debentures and what are the different conditions of the redemption and what is the effect of the entries of redemption on the entries of issue. Debentures may be redeemed either at par or premium according to the term laid down at the time of issue. After taking into account three possibilities of issue at par, discount, and premium, and two possibilities of redemption at par and premium, a company can issue debentures from following six types. Debenture can be issued at par, premium, and discount, but redemption at par and at premium. Company cannot do redemption at discount. A company can issue debenture from its six types. If we compile these situations all together, it will create six type of circumstances, six type of situation arise there in which we have to pass the journal entry. So let's see what can be the first condition or the first circumstances can be when the debentures are issued at par and redeemable at par. It means the 100 rupees debenture is issued at 100 rupees and then it is repaid at 100 rupees to the debenture holder. Please note down, when the debentures are redeemed at par, it will not affect the journal entry of issue. But when the debentures redeem at premium, it affects as well. When debentures are issued at par and redeemed at par, what should be the journal entries? In that case, the entries for the issue are bank account debit to debenture application and allotment as 100 rupees debenture per debenture has been issued and received from the public. The amount and allotment to debenture. These are the entries as similar as we did up to the date. Entries for redemption now. Debenture holders are the receiver of the company. So first of all, the amount becomes due to them, whatever the amount is to be repaid. The entry will become debentures account debit to debenture holder account and debenture holder account debit to bank account. As the debit the receiver and credit the givers, debenture holder are the receiver. So they will be debited. And redeem at debenture is issued at rupees 95. Now it is repaid or redeemed at 100 rupees. The entry will become bank account debit, debenture application account debit, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment 95 rupees, and then debenture application and allotment debit, discount on issue debit to debentures account. 100 rupees debenture is issued at discount of 5 rupees. And at the time of redemption, as redemption is done at par, the entry will remain as similar as we did earlier. Debentures to debenture holder account debit to bank account. Keep one thing in your mind while doing practically. It is given over here in a note. When the debenture issued at discount, the discount is a kind of capital loss in that case and will be written off out of security premium if any security premium is existing, or from the general reserve, or from the statement of profit and loss in the year in which it occurs. Third circumstances can be arise when the debenture issued at premium and are redeemable at par. For example, when the debenture is issued at premium means 100 rupee debenture is issued at rupee 105 and redeemable at par, that is 100 rupees. The entry will become bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account debit. It will be of 105 rupees. Debenture application to debenture to security premium reserve, as the security premium reserve is to be credited at the time of due. So entry will become debenture application and allotment debit to debenture to security premium reserve account. Again, the entries for the redemption will remain same. That will be debenture account debit to debenture holder account debit to bank account. Security premium reserve account has a credit balance and is a capital profit to be shown on equity and liability side under the reserve and surplus. Please keep in your mind an additional information credit and profits. It is to be shown under the head of reserve and surplus in the company's balance sheet. Fourth, when debentures are issued at par and redeemable at premium, please mind it and consider it very carefully, because up to the three circumstances the debentures redeem at par, but in this fourth case debentures are going to redeem at premium while issued at par. The entry will become bank account debit debenture application and allotment. 100 rupees share is issued at 100 rupees, but it is redeemed at premium, so it affects the entry of the due at the time of issue as well. See, what is the difference arise? Debenture application and allotment account will be 100 rupees. To debenture, it will be 100. But premium on redemption on debenture is also be credited as because it is a loss on issue of debentures. The company is receiving 100 rupees while paying at the time of repayment 5 rupees extra to the debenture holder. So it's a kind of loss on issue of these kind of redeemable debenture. So this loss will be debited here as rupees 5. When you debited the loss, you have to consider it on the credit side to balance it, for which purpose this loss is arising. So in credit, the entry of 5 rupee will be done to premium on redemption of debenture account. Please keep in your mind, when the debentures are redeemed at premium, it is entry of the issue at the time of due. Now, at the time of redemption, debenture account debit, that is 100 rupees. Premium on redemption on debenture is 5 rupee to debenture holder account. That is totally we are paying to the debenture holder 105. The entry will become debenture holder account debit to bank account. This loss on issue of debenture is a loss account of promise to pay the debenture at premium at the time of their redemption. This is a capital loss and written off out of security premium reserve or from the journal reserve or from the profit and loss in the year it occurs. The entry of writing of the debenture loss on debenture will be considered as the journal entry given over here. Statement of profit and loss debit to loss on issue of debenture. So keep in your mind always at the time of practical. Fifth, circumstances can be or condition can be applied here when the debentures issued at discount and are redeemable at premium. Now 100 rupees debentures are issued at 98 rupees, means 2 rupees discount is there, redeemable at 105. See, redeem at premium, issue at discount. At the time of issue, the entry will become bank account debit to debenture application and allotment, that is 98 rupees. Please be very much careful while doing this entry. Write with pencil in the entry of due. The loss on issue of debenture is 7 rupees. How it is arise? 5 rupee loss on the redemption and 2 rupees loss for the discount on issue of shares. So 5 plus 2 altogether will become 7 rupees. And debenture is of 100 rupees, so it will be 100 rupees credited to debenture account. And premium on redemption of debenture is 5 rupee. The both of the side will become equal, that will be 105, 105. I'm repeating once again, the loss on issue of debenture 5 rupee at premium at the time of redemption and 2 rupees for the discount on issue of debentures. Now entries at the time of redemption will be debenture account debit, premium on redemption account debit to debenture holder account, and then debenture holder account debit to bank account. Please keep in your mind, did the mistake in the examination. They write the loss on issue of debenture only 5 rupees. They forget to mention the discount over here. So no need to highlight the discount on issue of shares separately. When you debit the loss on issue of debenture, 5 plus 2, 7 rupees altogether as a loss on issue of debenture is to be shown here. The sixth case, when the debenture at premium, we are doing the last case now, when the debentures are issued at premium and redeemed at premium. Let it be, for example, if a debenture of 100 is issued at 106 and redeemable at 110, the following entries are to be passed. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment, the amount received 106 as it is issued at premium. Then debenture application and allotment, loss on issue of debenture, that it is redeemed at premium at a loss of rupees 10. So 10 rupee loss will be there. To debenture account, to security premium reserve account, to premium on redemption of debenture. And when you pass the entries for redemption, the entry will be debenture account debit, premium on redemption of debenture account to debenture holder, holder account debit to bank account. In this way, you have to do these 6 entries, 6 type of circumstances where you find what are the entries of the redemption as well as the entries for the issue. I'm just quoting again and again, the entries when the debentures redeem at premium always affect the entries of issue, but the debentures are redeemed at par, it will not affect the entry of the issue. The entry of the issue will remain as it is, as you did earlier. Now, please note down in the notes is given over here, the loss on issue of debenture will be written off out of security premium reserve first of all, and remaining 4 rupee from the statement of profit and loss. Premium for redemption will be shown under the head of non-current liability under the subhead of other long-term liabilities always. Debentures cannot be redeemed at discount, although company may redeem its debenture by purchasing them in the open market at discount. Might be the market price of the debenture is less, then you can purchase at the less price, but redemption cannot be done at less price than the face value. Here the illustration number 25 is given here. Let's do, then it will be more clear to you. Give the journal entries for issue of debenture in the following conditions. Issue 2000, these are 2000 debentures, 12% debenture of rupees 100 each at par, redeemable at par. Let's come to the solution part. Here the solution is given to us. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account, it will be 2 lakh. How it is to be calculated? 2000 multiplied by 100. 12% debenture application and allotment debit to debenture account, again 2 lakh will be due as well. And in the second case, issued 2000 12% debenture of 100 each at a discount 2%, redeemable at, now we have to pass the entry of issue at the time of, as it is given that to pass the necessary journal entry at the time of issue. So you have to pass the entry of the issue only in this question. If it is given pass the entry for issue and redemption, then you have to do the both. Bank account debit 12% debenture application and allotment account debit, and that will be 1,96,000 because it is issued at 2%. discount. 12% debenture application and allotment account debit, discount on issue of debenture to 12% debenture. How it is to be calculated? It is to be calculated as it is the 98% value of 2 lakh, because 2% of 2 lakh, that is 4,000 rupees, is discount on debenture. So please mark in your book, against 12% debenture application and allotment account debit, it will be 98% value of 2 lakh and discount is 2% of 2 lakh. The third case, let's come back to the statement. Issued 2000 12% debenture of 100 each at a premium 5% redeemable at par. Now we are issuing the debenture at premium and redeem at par. In case of premium, what should be the entry? First of all, the receive amount along with premium, and general entry will become bank account debit to 12% debenture application and allotment account, along with the 2 lakh rupees of debenture application and allotment, and along with the 5% premium, 5% of 2 lakh. In the entry of due, we can explain it. 12% debenture application and allotment account, that is 2 lakh 10,000. The debentures are of rupees 2 lakh and security premium reserve account is 5% of 2 lakh, that is 10,000. All in all, it will become 2 lakh 10,000 rupees. Then the next case, let's come back to the statement again. The fourth case, debenture issued 2000 12% debenture of 100 each at par and redeemable at premium. Now we are redeeming the debenture at premium. Whenever the debentures are redeemed at premium, please look at the entry very carefully. In case of issue, the entry will remain same, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment, because it is issued at par but redeem at premium. When it is redeemed at premium at the time of issue, in the entry of due, fourth case, the entry of due. In the entry of due, what is to be done? 12% debenture application and allotment account debit, loss on issue of debenture account debit, and then 12% debenture to premium on redemption. As debentures are redeemed at 5% premium, the 5% of 2 lakh will be 10,000. So it will be debited first as a loss, then it is credited as premium on redemption. In this way, you have to pass the entry. Let's come back to the statement and read the fifth case. Issued 2000 12% debenture of 100 each at a discount of 2%, redeemable at premium of 5%. Now in this question, issued at discount and redeem at premium. See, in this case, the loss become multiplied because the company is bearing the loss on issue as a discount and redemption as a premium paid on redemption. Let's see how it is to be done here. In the fifth case, you can see bank account debit to debenture application and allotment. As the debentures are issued at discount, 2% discount will be deducted and it will be the 98% value of 2 lakh. Then 12% debenture application and allotment account debit, that is 1,96,000 that we received at the time of receiving the application money. Loss on issue of debenture. Now see how the loss on issue is to be done here. Write in bracket that 4,000 for the discount on issue and 10,000 for the premium on redemption. All in all, it becomes the 14,000 to 12% debenture account to premium on redemption account. In this way, you have to combine the loss over here at the time of issue of debenture, whether it is for discount or whether it is for premium on redemption. In the next case, sixth case, let's come back to the statement once. What is given over here in the statement? Issue 2000 12% debenture of 100 each at a premium 5%, redeemable at premium 10%. Issued at premium and redeem at premium. When the debentures are issued at premium, the entry will become bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. 2,10,000 because debentures are issued at premium. Then 12% debenture application and allotment account debit. Loss on issue of debenture will be debit to 12% debenture to securities premium reserve as the debentures are issued at premium, as the debentures are redeemed at premium as well, to premium on redemption account. But keep in your mind, the security premium reserve will be 5% of 2 lakh. Please mark in your books with pencil to security premium reserve account, write in bracket 5% of 2 lakh, and to premium on redemption it is 10% of 2 lakh, that will be 20,000. Please keep in your mind that the percentage of the issued at premium and redemption at premium may be vary or may be the same. So you have to, don't get confused, and you have to look at the rate of the premium in both of the cases very carefully and calculate the amount accordingly. I hope all the concepts are clear to you. And in the next question, see in illustration number 26, what is the difference over here? The entries are absolutely like that we did earlier, but in this case, the number of share debenture issued is something else. It is 635 debenture. The denomination is also changed. It is 500 each. So it is for the sake of practice that you have to do that while calculating how the amount is to be done, please see it carefully. Sometimes you may get the question that is not in the round figure, that may be different from other. So you have to keep this thing in the mind that when the other things are there, when the amount or the denomination is different, in that case, how to do? Don't get confused. If it is not in the rounded figure, please calculate like this. Let's do the illustration 26, then it will be more clear to you people. On 2/3/2016, means 2nd March 2016, L&B Limited issued 635 9% debenture of 500 each. Pass the necessary journal entry for the issue of debenture in the following situation. When the debentures are issued at discount and redeemable at 10% premium. If the debentures issued at discount, redeem at premium, what is to be done? Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. Allotment money received and the amount is to be calculated 635 multiplied by 475, because as the debentures are issued at discount, so you have to consider the value of the debenture is 475 rupees per debenture here, not 500 rupees. Please don't forget at the time of the entry of receipt, the amount, the net amount, if it is at discount, after deducting discount, if it is at premium, after adding the premium, it is to be shown in the entry of receiving the application. So all in all, it will become the amount 3,01,625 rupees. On 2nd March, when we do the entry for the due, then it will be 9% debenture application and allotment account debit, loss on issue of debenture debit to 9% debenture account to premium on redemption account. You have to consider here the amount. It is given here in the working note floating on the screen. Please mark it very carefully. 635 share, 5% at the time of discount given at the time of issue. 5% of 500, don't forget it is 5% of 500, not the 100 rupees. So it will be 25. In this type of question, student usually consider the denomination as 100 rupees per debenture, and you may mistaken in the paper examination, and it will be harmful for you for losing the marks. So be very much careful while reading the statement that what is the basic denomination per share. So in this question, it is 500 rupees. 5% discount on issue of debenture will be 25. So 635 multiplied by 25 rupees, it will be 15,875 rupees. And 10% premium on redemption, again it will be on 500 rupees. 10% of 500 will be 50 rupees. 635 into 50, 31,750 rupees. Altogether, the loss on issue of debenture will become 47,625 rupees. To 9% debenture. The value of the 9% debenture is shown along with the premium amount after deducting the discount, and then the redemption premium on redemption is to be shown 31,750 rupees. Part B, when the debenture issued at 12% premium and redeem at premium. In this question, the debentures are issued at premium and redeem at premium. What should be the entry? Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. It will be 560 rupees because 12% premium is there. 12% of 500 will be 60 rupees. So the net value of the debenture will become 560 rupees. The total number of debentures are 635, and 635 multiplied by 560, we will get the total amount at the time of application money received on debenture, that is 3,55,600. And then in the entry of due, 9% debenture allotment application and allotment debit, loss on issue of debenture, that is your discount, that is the premium paid on redemption, to debenture account, to security premium reserve, to premium on redemption. In this case, discount is not there. In the first case, discount is there. So loss on issue of debenture include the amount of discount on issue as well as premium on redemption. But in second case, the debentures are redeemed at premium. In that case, issued at premium as well. So loss occurs just because of redemption at premium, not for the issue at premium. Issue at premium, it's a kind of capital gain for the company, because company is getting the amount of security premium reserve. This is the difference. It is all about for the day. If you have any problem, any doubt, any query, please raise your hand. Then Akash sir will unmute you. I'm repeating once again. If anybody have any query, please raise your hand. Then we